Yo, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today's video, we're going to be going through a new sample-based synth from Excite Audio called Evolve Alloy. This looks really interesting, man. I've only had a quick look at it, so we're going to go through it together and see what it sounds like and go through the features and some of the presets. This plugin seems to be geared towards more kind of metallic-y kind of sounds and really cool textures and things like that. So let's go through some of the features and see what we've got. I think there's 250 presets, and these presets are made up of 4 sound sources, which can be either samplers or synths, and it looks like you can drop your own samples in there as well, which is really cool. And you can blend between these sound sources using the XY pad, and I'm pretty sure this XY pad can be used for the effects mode as well. So let's have a look at the interface. We've got a filter section which can be applied to all 4 sound sources, and there's 2 filters, and it looks like they can be routed into each other, which is cool. Next to the filter, we've got 3 other effect slots, and there's 16 different plugins that you can swap and change out through here. Compressors, what else we got? We got saturation, feedback, bit crush, delay, reverb, transients, modulation, phasers, auto while, all the good stuff. There's even a limiter on the end as well. So underneath that, in the modulation panel, we've got keys, velocity, key track. We've got ADSR envelopes, which can be used for each one separately, or they can all be linked together. What else we got? We've got a couple of LFOs, a couple of other envelopes, and some XY pad stuff as well. Under the XY pad, we've got some macros, which have all been tuned to work nicely with the metallic-y kind of sounds that it's got. So we've got sharpen, which boosts transients. We've got rust, which adds some distortion. Vibrate adds a bit of feedback, and spring is a nice spring reverb as well, which goes on all 4 of those. But let's get into some presets, man. There's 250 presets. We've got bass, bells, experimental, effects, keys, leads, pads, plucks, and textures. Let's just have a blast through some now. Digging that one. Gonna save that one for later. Nice. I'm liking these. They're very unique sounding. It doesn't sound like any other synth that I've got, which is good, because a lot of stuff sounds the same a lot of times. This is like some nice new textures we've got to play with here. It's pretty cool. Very nice for some deep house. Nice. Cool respace there. Gnarly. That's a cool preset. All right, I want to go back to the XY pad quickly now and see if we can move between the sound sources and see how this sound is actually made up. So there's sound A on its own. Sound B. And then D. Really nice evolving sample in there. And then C. And you can kind of mix between these anywhere you want to make whatever sound that you like, which is really cool. I'm sure you'll be able to automate that as well. Very nice. Right, so that's the bases. Let's have a look at some of the bells. Just cutting in real quick. If you like this hat or this t-shirt or any of the other stuff that I'm showing on the screen right now, check the description box below, because I've added a 10% off discount for anything on ourera.store. We've got tons of brand new t-shirts, hoodies, a whole line of oversized t-shirts, beanies, sweatshirts. We've even got basketball shirts, caps, the lot. Go and check it out. Just for being part of the YouTube family and checking out this video, you get 10% off, and it really does help out the channel if you go and grab something from the store. So right, back to the video. Interesting one. Sounds are really wide, and the effects are really nice on them as well. Pretty spooky, isn't it? I'm liking that one. I'm going to save that. That'll be a really nice background texture for something. Get a bit of a vibe going. Nice, man. Alright, let's check out some of the experimental sounds. Interesting ones. These would be wicked for like film score stuff. I like that kind of chatter in the background as well. It adds loads of texture to it. Doom Spanner, what a name. Yeah, these would be wicked for some gaming stuff as well, like game scores and film scores. Epic sounding stuff. Terminator's coming, man. Okay, they're really nice. Let's check out some of the effects. Yeah, these are nice. Right, let's try some keys so the video doesn't get too long. Really cool. Check out some leads as well. Sounds nice, an octave lower. Yo. Right, they're cool. Let's try some pads. Sounds are huge, man. Future sound of Brighton. Yeah, these are really cool. Let's try some plucks quick as well. It's pretty cool. A couple more random ones. Let's have an octave up. Nice. Right, some textures last. Really cool loopy glitchy stuff going on in the back of that. These just sound massive, man. It's really nice, ethereal kind of sound. Saving that one for later as well. Yeah, I'm digging them. Some really nice presets there. Right, as well, it's also got this randomise function. So if we just click that. Nice. So it's randomising all the parameters and all the effects and everything. So you can get some really nice unexpected stuff just by using the randomised one. I'm pretty sure if you find something you like, you can save it as your own patch as well, which is cool. Right, what else we got? Just the settings page, number of voices, we've got glide time, all that good stuff. We've got a modulation matrix as well, and you can turn the edit page on and off if you want it a little bit more streamlined. But overall, I'm really digging this plugin. I'm going to come back to that and use a lot of the textures and yeah, just experiment with it, see what I can do. So yeah, go and check it out. I'll put the link down in the description. Really nice plugin. Loads of different textures that I haven't really got in any other plugins, which is awesome. So go and try it out for yourself. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. If there's any other plugins that you want me to do a walkthrough of on the channel, then just leave us a comment below and just let me know. Always up for trying out some new toys. But for now, thanks for watching. See you later.
This is our era.